Subscribe.
And today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a YouTube channel logo. First, you want to go to canva.com. Once you're there, you want to type in YouTube channel logo. It should pop up, and you gotta wait for the thing to load. Now, you can choose a template to start with, or you can create a blank YouTube channel logo. Now, once you choose, you can just insert an image. Maybe it's going to be The Rock. Maybe it's going to be a puppy. You can insert text. You can not insert audio. You can insert a background, which I prefer. So let's just try and make my logo. So I'm going to put that there. Now I'm going to go to Elements and put that. You can add images that you want from your uploads, because you can upload files. Or you can just make a logo for another channel if you want. And then you can add text and templates, elements. You can even put subscribe as your logo. So you can upload, you can put backgrounds, you can even use text to image as the part to just generate. So, for example, old man. And it should generate you what you put in for the text. And that's pretty much all there is. And, well, it may take a while for it to load. Well, you can also choose if it looks like photo or drawing for the image. Yeah, and that's about all there is. So, bye-bye.